Understanding arbitrary decisions without reason. Imagine you're in a long queue at a coffee shop. Suddenly, the barista announces they're closing early and will only serve the next 5 customers. How would you feel if you were the sixth person in line? This seemingly random decision is what we call arbitrary, and that's the word we're exploring today. Word type: arbitrary is an adjective. Meaning: arbitrary means based on random choice or personal whim, rather than any reason or system. It describes decisions or actions that seem to lack any logical basis or established criteria. Word history: the term arbitrary comes from the Latin word arbitrarius, which means depending on one's will or judgment. It entered the English language in the 15th century and has since been used to describe actions or decisions that appear to be made without careful thought or clear reasons. Antonyms: some opposites of arbitrary include reasoned, logical, systematic, and planned. Synonyms: words with similar meanings to arbitrary include random, capricious, whimsical, and subjective. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use arbitrary in different contexts. First, in a workplace setting, the manager's arbitrary decision to change everyone's work schedule caused confusion and frustration among the employees. In a more academic context, the scientist criticized the study for using arbitrary criteria to select participants, which could have skewed the results. And in everyday life, the arbitrary rules of the game made it difficult for new players to understand and enjoy. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing arbitrary with capricious. While both words involve unpredictability, capricious specifically implies a sudden change of mind or behavior, while arbitrary focuses more on the lack of reason behind a decision or action. Another error is using arbitrary to describe all random events. Remember, arbitrary specifically refers to human choices or systems, not natural occurrences or genuine randomness. To sum up, arbitrary is a useful word for describing decisions or actions that seem to lack a logical basis. By understanding and using this word correctly, you can express complex ideas about fairness, decision-making, and systems in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Try to incorporate it into your vocabulary practice, and you'll find it becomes a valuable tool for expressing your thoughts more precisely.